Today we will start chapter 6, square and square root, and chapter 3, 4 and 5. We will do later on. Good morning children. Today we will start chapter 6, square and square roots. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? First is 81, fifth is 1234, ninth is 12,796. Means you have to find square unit digit of the square of the following number. So here square of this number is square of 81 is 81 multiply 81. Okay, square means multiply a number by itself, you will get the square number. Okay, so 81, the unit digit is 1. Unit digit is 1. Here is 1. So square of 1 is 1. Your answer is 1. Means if you square 81, the unit digit be 1. Okay, you don't need to find square of whole number. Okay students, here unit digit is unit digit. Here unit digit is 4. So square of 4 is 16. So our answer unit digit is 6. Okay, unit digit is 4. Square of 4 is 4 into 4 16, and 16 unit digit is 6. So its unit digit is 6. Now here unit digit is digit is 6. Square of 6 is 6 into 6 36. So unit digit is 6. So if you square 81, its unit digit is 1. If you square 1234, its unit digit will be 6. If you square 12,796, its unit digit will be 6. Okay students. Question number 2. The following number are obviously not perfect square. Give reason. These numbers are not perfect square. Okay, how these are not perfect square? I will explain you from an example. Look here. It is 1. Okay, 1 square means 1 into 1 equal to 1. Here is 2. 2 square is 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 4 is perfect square. 4 is perfect square. 1 is perfect square. Here 3 square is 3 into 3 9. So 9 is a perfect square. Okay, here is 4 square is 4 into 4 16. 16 is perfect square. 5 square, 5 into 5 is 25. 25 is a perfect square number because it is the square of 5. Here is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Here is 7. 7 into 7 is 49. 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 9 square. 9 into 9 is 81. 10 square. 10 into 10 is 100. Student, these are square number. These are square number because 16 is square of 4, 64 is square of 8, 100 is square of 10, and you will observe the unit digit 14965694100. Then you will observe in here there is no digit 2 in not in unit place. 2 is not in unit place. Similarly, 3 is not in unit place. 4 is here, 5, 6. You will observe 7 is not in unit place. In all these, you will get not 2, 3, 7 in unit place. Okay? 8 is also not in unit place. Students, 8 is also not in unit place. 8 is also not unit place. Okay, but 9 is here. And odd number of 0. And odd number of 0. Okay, if any number have this number in unit place, so it will not be a perfect square. That number will not be a perfect square. If unit place digit is 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of 0, then given number will not be a perfect square. Okay students, now we will solve from this example question number 2. First is 1057. 1057. Because unit digit is 7, unit digit is 7, so it is not perfect square. So it is not perfect square. Okay students, here next is 23,453. Its unit is 3. Unit digit is 3. So it is not perfect square. Okay, here 2,22,000 है, odd number of 0, odd numbers of 0. So it is not a perfect square. This number is not perfect square because unit digit is 7. This number is not perfect square because unit digit is 3. This number is not perfect square because odd number of 0. It is 3 0. 1 2 3. If it have even number of 0, it may be but here odd number of 0, so these numbers are not perfect square. Okay students, question number 3, the square of which of the following would be odd number, means which number, square of which number will be odd. Okay, so you have to see unit digit number. If unit digit number is odd, then its square will be odd. If unit digit number is even, its square will be even. Okay beta, so that unit digit is unit digit is 1, odd number, odd number, odd number. So its square is, square of 1 is 1, odd number. 1 is odd number. Okay, because this 431 unit digit is odd, so square of unit digit 1 square is 1, it is an odd number, so that its square will be odd number. And unit here unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6, even number, it is even number. So its square is even number. 6 square is 36. Okay, 6 is the even number. Here is 6, unit place is 6, so it is even number. Even number. Okay, so square of 431 is odd number, and square of 2026, it is only even number, so its square is even number. Question number 7, without adding find the sum. Without adding found the sum. Okay, but okay students, here you will see that it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all are odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. Okay, the numbers are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This rule is applicable only if numbers are odd. Conjugative odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Square of 5 is 25. So its sum is 25. Okay students, it's a quick calculation and a shortcut method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square is 25. So its sum is 25. Okay students, the same question is here. Here you will do it in backward direction. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equal 25. Here is express 49 as the sum of 7 odd number. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd number. So solution is 7 odd number. 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, after that 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 9, 11. After 9, 11, 13. Okay, students? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 49 is 7 square. 7 square is 49. So write in 7 consecutive odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So it is 7 square, it is 49. Okay, students? 49, you have to 49, write 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 square is 49. Okay. Now, students, question number is 9. Question number 9 is, how many number lie between square of the following number? How many number lie between square of the following number? This rule is applicable only consecutive number. Consecutive number is 12, 13. Huh? This rule is applicable only for consecutive number. At 12 and 13, you know that? Means how many number lies between this and this, square of this and this. So you know that square of 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. Subtract these two, it is 25. Okay, then the 25 numbers lie between the 12 square and 13 square. Or the method, this is the general rules. Now we will apply by method. Here is the formula is n square and n plus 1 square. N square and n plus 1 square. Here n is 12 and n plus 1 is 13. Let n is 12 and n plus 1. If n is 12, then n plus 1 is 13. So required numbers are 2n plus 1. 2 into n is 12 plus 1. You will see 12 2 ja 24 plus 1. It is 25. Okay, students, you can do any method. You can solve it by any method, from this method or this method. But this method is applicable only if two consecutive numbers are given. Okay, 12 square and 13 square. Consecutive means continue numbers. So required numbers are 25. Okay, students, here is n is 12 and equal to 12. This is for n equal to 12 and n is 12 and n plus 1 is 13. 12 and 13. So you can do by any method. You can solve it by this method or by this method. It is your choice. But this method is applicable only for two consecutive numbers. and this method is applicable for all numbers. Okay, students.